Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make croissant in Cookingdom game. Open the bakery menu and select the croissant recipe to reveal ingredients and tools. Prepare the dough by combining flour, yeast, milk, and sugar, then chill briefly. Layer with cold butter and perform 3 folds for flakiness. Roll, shape crescents, proof until doubled, then bake until golden for highest taste score. Gather your ingredients and tools before starting to avoid pauses in the game. Measure flour, milk, yeast, sugar, salt, and cold butter precisely to match the recipe. Use the rolling pin and pastry brush tools for proper lamination. Keep the dough cold between folds to preserve butter layers. Use the oven pastry preset and monitor the timer to achieve a golden, flaky croissant that yields high experience and coin rewards. Start by mixing dough until it forms a shaggy mass, then chill to relax gluten and firm butter. Roll out, add a slab of cold butter, and perform 3 folds with rests to create layers. After final shaping, proof the croissants until puffy and almost doubled. Brush with egg wash for shine, then bake using the pastry preset until deeply golden. Cool slightly before serving to keep flakiness intact and earn.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.